Good afternoon, friends. Let's talk about DJI and the recently released DJI Mic 2. Now, I, like most persons, was very excited when I heard about the release of the DJI Mic 2, and partly due to the fact that I own the DJI Mic 1 and I know firsthand what a really great product that is. Now, when I heard that the DJI Mic 2 was gonna be released, I was thinking, like, what is DJI gonna bring to the table that will blow the competition out the water? We know the Rode Wireless Pro was released a few months before, and for me, that is the direct competitor to the DJI Mic 2. So Rode gave us 32-bit float recording and also timecode sync, which was their unique selling point, right? So I got to thinking that, hey, DJI is gonna one-up Rode and give us the 32-bit float recording as well as timecode generation. So of course, the Mic 2 was released, and I was disappointed to find out that timecode functionality was not gonna be among the features being offered. So it got me thinking, how is it that DJI, having seen what Rode brought to the table a few months before, released this product without offering timecode synchronization? To me, that's uncharacteristic of DJI, because I know DJI to be a company that, it's always innovating, always bringing exciting products to consumers. So when I saw that, I got to thinking, like, this was a slam dunk for DJI, and for me, they obviously missed. Because right now, what it means is that you have DJI products like the Action 3, you have the Action 4, you have the Pocket 3 that all offers timecode functionality, but no way to sync it using a DJI product. So for me personally, I have to do timecode synchronization between the Action 4 and the Pocket 3 using either the Tentacle Track E, the Tentacle Sync E, or the Atomos Ultra Sync 1, and of course the Rode Wireless Pro, which is DJI's direct competitor, which is almost to me like rubbing salt into the wound. So I have DJI products and I have to use their competitor to utilize one of the features that's most valuable to me on the DJI product. What does this mean also for me personally? So I was hoping that the DJI Mic 2, if it offered the timecode synchronization, then that would mean that I could lighten my pack and get some more space in my backpack. Because now I would not need to walk with, in addition to the DJI Mic 2, another microphone system just for timecode synchronization. So that would mean that I would free up space because I could then take out either the Trackies or the Rode Wireless Pro and just have one light pack with all DJI products. So unfortunately, I still have to use the Rode Wireless Pro to sync via timecode the DJI products. But again, I'm still thinking, like, this is uncharacteristic of DJI, I must admit. So I'm thinking, like, I'm wondering if they're gonna do some sort of mid-cycle refresh, like a DJI Mic 2 Pro that offers that timecode functionality. Or will they just wait until the release of the DJI Mic 3, which who's to tell when that will be released. Now I can't see DJI letting this one slide, to have their products being synchronized by the competitor. There must be some plans in the works for DJI to release DJI Mic 2 Pro. So you know what, I'm not gonna get the DJI Mic 2. I'm just gonna hang on for the release of the DJI Mic 2 Pro, I hope. Because really and truly, I want to be able to just have a small pack, an Action 4 for point of view footage, the Pocket 3 for like B-rolls and like selfie type vlogs, and of course you have a drone for some aerial shots, and a DJI mic system that offers excellent audio, 32-bit floating point recording, and key among them, timecode synchronization. And you know what? I think DJI can one-up Rode in terms of the timecode synchronization, because as it stands right now, the Rode Wireless Pro cannot be jam synced. It can only function as a master timecode generator, which is somewhat limiting, I find. So if DJI can come out with a microphone system that offers the 32-bit floating point timecode generation, as well as being able to be jam synced, then I think that would one up on Rode, especially given that the DJI Mic 2 has that AI noise reduction feature. So yeah, that would definitely swing a lot of the masses from Rode back over to DJI. But you know what? Time will tell. So let's see. DJI, I hope you're listening. We need the DJI Mic 2 Pro. We need timecode functionality. We need a microphone to be able to be jam synced. We need a 32-bit floating point to remain. The AI noise reduction, that's nice. You already have a fantastic platform in terms of the user interface, the feel, how everything feels nice, the look, the elegance. So just work with that, continue with that winning formula. Just add the timecode functionality and jam syncing, and you'll be golden. All right. So DJI Mic 2 Pro. Let's see, DJI, please, we need it. Thank you. Take care until next time.